In this video, we are going to learn the last case of subnetting. In this case, we have 15 PC in our network. As usual, we are going to calculate the base prefix we will use, the total IP, subnet mask, network IP, broadcast IP, and IP range. Okay, let's just start. First, let's determine the base prefix for 15 PC. Let's write the powers. 2 to the power of 1 is 2, 2 to the power of 2 is 4, 2 to the power of 3 is 8, 2 to the power of 4 is 16, 2 to the power of 5 is 32, and so on. Here now we already have 16 and 32. Maybe some of you think that we can use 16 for 15 PC. But actually, this 16 will be minus by 2. So the actual is only 14 PC. Why minus by 2? Because we will have network IP and broadcast IP. And remember that network and broadcast IP never can be used. Once again, if the total IP is 16, the IP that we can use is only 14. This is not enough for 15 PC. So we will use 2 to the power of 5. And the prefix is 32 minus by 5, which is /27. Okay, now we have the base prefix we can use. Next, let's determine which IP we will use. We can use either 10.0.0 or 127.16 or 192.168. In this case, I will use the first range, which is 10. Let's say the IP is 10.10.10.0/27. Remember that the last number here will be changed between 0 until 255, and the first number will be never changed. And the prefix here is /27. This is the result of our calculation before. Okay, I think enough for this video. In the next video, we are going to calculate the total IP, subnet mask, network IP, broadcast IP, and IP range. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.